In this video, you are going to see whether adding a tempered glass to the mobile phone actually adds weight or not. If the answer is yes, how much weight is it going to add? Also, you are going to see which type of protection is better, whether adding tempered glass or using a screen guard. Not only that, I'm also answering the most common question that I get in the comments. Can we use mobile phones without tempered glass or not? So this video is going to solve a lot of questions that you have been roaming in your minds for a long time. Let's start with the first question. Does tempered glass add weight to the mobile phone? Right now you are seeing the mobile phone with the tempered glass. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. As you can see, the weight of the mobile phone with the tempered glass is 200 grams. I will also show you how much weight a common back case adds to a mobile phone. Now I'm removing the tempered glass and checking the weight after that. It's 191 grams. As you can see, there is a 9 grams difference in this mobile phone. After checking the weight of both the mobile phone and tempered glass separately after removing, there is even more weight difference. This is due to the surrounding air which gets eliminated while applying the tempered glass. So let's answer the question. How much weight does it actually adds to the mobile phone? The answer is it depends on the type of tempered glass you are using. In my experience, I can say that roughly anywhere between 5 to 15 grams gets added. Again, I'm saying it depends on the thickness and the type of glass you are applying. Now, let's check the weight of the bag case. Again, this also depends on the size of the mobile phone and the type of bag case you are using. You can expect anywhere between 20 grams to 50 grams. If you are using very thick bag cases, it will go even higher. So depending on the overall package you are using, that determines your mobile phone's overall weight. Tempered glass plays a very minimal role compared to the back case here. Now the next question is, which is better, either the tempered glass or the screen guard? The answer for this is depends on your usage scenario. Let me explain how these two protect based on your usage. The screen guard, which we often call a screen film, helps to minimize accidental scratches to the main display, but it cannot absorb any sudden shocks. Also, it gets very rough to use after a few weeks of usage. On the other hand, tempered glass gives scratch protection along with some level of impact absorption for main display. So in most scenarios, the tempered glass will break first, absorbing the shock, and then the impact reach to the display. So if you use your mobile phone roughly and throw it around without a second thought, then tempered glass is the best option for you. But if you just want some scratch protection and prefer to keep the phone lightweight, then screen guard is the best choice. Now moving to the next question. Can we use the mobile phone without the tempered glass? For this, the answer is, again, it depends on your usage scenario. I like to use the mobile phones without having any tempered glass or the back case. Previously, I used it to apply tempered glasses for every mobile phone, but now only I'm applying if it is a very light and compact mobile phone like the iPhone 16e or the Samsung S20 FE. Otherwise, I don't. But if you ask me, adding a piece of tempered glass is more beneficial than not using it, unless you are testing how tough the mobile display is. If we compare the prices of the original display versus a tempered glass or a screen protector, it's unmatched. In terms of price from least to highest, screen guard is the first, then the tempered glass, and finally mobile phone display. Now the final question is, which type of tempered glass is best? If you use a branded one, it's very good, but most of you don't. Even I do most of the time. But what I suggest is, before applying any tempered glass, ask the person to check whether the black bars are aligning properly or not. Because in my experience, I can tell you this is very annoying. Or else you can use a tempered glass that doesn't have any black bars around it, just like a clear piece of glass. I observed in the local market that they only check whether the tempered glass covers the screen completely or not. That's it. They don't check the alignment of the black bars, whether it is perfectly good for that mobile phone or not. So if you cannot find a perfectly aligned tempered glass, it's better to go with a full transparent one without having any black bars. So that's the video. I hope after watching this you have learned something about tempered glasses and back cases for mobile phone. That's the overall objective of this video. My name is Rajshekar, you're watching Tech Bunny, and I'll catch you again in the next video.